Hello dear aspirants. So let's continue our mindset making. So today's topic is volcano and earthquake. Have patience, maybe this lecture may be more than 15 minutes. So for studying these two topics, what I suggest you have a well understanding of plate tectonic theory. What बच्चे? Plate tectonic theory. Once you understood this thing, these two concepts becomes easy to analyze. So when you learn plate tectonic theory, so here you learn major plates, ओके, मीन्स रीजन्स कहाँ पर कन्वर्जेंस हो रहा है प्लेट्स का, वेयर द डाइवर्जेंस, लेट्स से पैसिफिक ओशन, ओके, वेयर द डाइवर्जेंस, लेट्स से अटलांटिक, और द पैरेलल मूवमेंट्स, गेटिंग कटक एंड रेसिस. So the thing is, once you learn about plate tectonic theory, you will come to know कि suppose that if this plate moves from here to here, so something from the inside of the earth will try to come out. Is that clear or not? Practically, I suggest you, when you want to feel this theory, you just think about the boiling tea in the tea pan. Okay, so those tea, the tea leaves will come above and go down again. Tea leaves come again, go down. So the things like this here only. So what our analysis says? If any material which is coming out of the earth, let's say this is the earth, if it is submerged here or it comes out, okay, so this material, what is lava, okay, you have to understand. Now what are these rocks? This in the previous lecture we learned. So whatever the material is coming out from the inside of the earth, that material may be acidic or basic. So this is highly dense, okay, this is comparatively low dense, basic. Now in which of the reasons such material comes out? So those volcanoes, those are called volcanoes, there in those regions we will get highly explosive volcanoes. But the basic, तो वो low dense होगा. So means we'll have to have a basic map means a line कि इस line में, इस region में highly acidic volcanoes हैं, like Pelion to Hawaiian. Getting my point? In which region basics का आप ऐसा कोई line draw कर सकते हैं in the world. Getting? So questions may be from here, questions may be from here. Categorization of that material, categorization reason wise. Okay, how to grab those reasons? No need to do 75 kind का PhD there. You have to understand what are those major reasons where these plate tectonics are being applied. I am saying major reasons. Is that clear or not? So first, as the material comes out, you have to learn the process. Process के बाद में categorization. Categorization कैसा? Like property wise or reason wise. So from here you will be getting, when you categorize property wise, so you will be learning about different kind of volcanoes. Cinder volcanoes, getting my point? Igneous. So thing is, with the properties, how many kinds of volcanoes, how they converts into the calderas, flares, fumes and all. So you have to go for this property wise and try to observe these properties into those specific reasons. Now how to tackle questions? Have this basic understanding. ठीक है, main volcanic reasons and some volcanoes names. I'm saying some, fix main. Okay, try to eliminate others with the help of these main names. Although this time UPSC is not focusing on the names because they ask this on like 2000s. PCS kind of stuffs, they focus on the name. So there I suggest you this type of mindset making, कि whatever the names you carry, try to eliminate other with the help of that. Is that clear? In the volcano, suppose that in the current affair, please notice now, current affairs part. So if any active volcano is there, what I am saying, active volcano, and it is for long time and in major news, okay, so what we need to do is, please focus, try to connect this with this basic understanding. First point. Second, try to get the history, कि whether this has happened earlier or not. With these two informations, you can tackle any of the question if it comes with the volcano in from the current affairs. The note for you is, for a small volcanic activities every time in the Arabian Sea or in this Indonesian region, no need to remember those. Don't waste your time. Okay. Other important point I would like to tell you, कि yes, sometimes they ask particular year. Let's say कि this was active, this Andaman, this wala part, कि wherein this was active in the year 1997. When they ask this question, before that nobody thought about it. Okay. And there was not some major news regarding that. Now what teachers may tell you, कि you have to remember all those years for minor events also. Dost, to qualify the prelim, you need not attempt 100 correct questions. So in that year, I guess none of the serious aspirant could attempt this correctly because of this year. So leave it. Don't be panic in like such kind of informations, and don't frame your mindset on such questions. Message is clear or not? If it is a major event, then 1 point for history of that part, like when it happened earlier, or what is the history for that. Other is the basic understanding. So within the volcano, this much exercise if you are able to do, it is more than sufficient. So next topic is our earthquake. In case of earthquake, again I will suggest you, this is, let's say, you can say volcano and earthquake, they are the two brothers. Okay. For this, the basic understanding is this only. Plate tectonic, reasons, major reasons, getting ring of fire. So when you talk about, when you study geography from any of the resource, you will learn about ring of fire. So don't remember all those small names in this Pacific region as these are volcanic, these are volcanoes, here the earthquake came and all. Not at all. Focus on the theme. If any major event, major earthquake happened in this region, ring of fire, then they will not ask about the earthquake, they will ask question on the ring of fire. So again, the basic understanding, with the basic understanding you can give the answer. Once they ask in the UP PCS वाला question, that was a good question actually, ठीक है, I found it. They ask question कि what is ring of fire. Let me take that question, I guess कहीं तो मैंने दिखा था उसको. Ring of fire, volcanic, I don't know, somewhere it was written there, volcanoes, I don't know. So where it was, they said कि which is the ring of fire, वहाँ पर volcanoes दिया फर्स्ट में, सेकंड में earthquake and something like, और थर्ड में लिख दिया forest fires. Okay, and they asked the question ring of fires is related with some of the events. So okay, earthquakes, volcanoes are there, but forest fires has nothing to do with the ring of fire. So here I tell you, ज़्यादा common sense भी कई बार आपको हानि पहुंचा सकता है. Getting? So thing is, whatever you learnt in the basic understanding, try to catch that and don't be in hurry to to tick the right option. Otherwise इतनी मेहनत के बाद भी आपका ये काम गड़बड़ हो सकता है. Is that clear? Within the earthquake, जो scales हैं आपके, PYQ analysis when I did, then I found कि yes, scales के बारे में we should have basic idea. They may ask a question to compare those Richter and all. ठीक है? So please have basic information about those scales. And again, when you come on the current affairs part, same logic. If any major event happens, then go in the basics of that event, basic understanding, and if any big history is there, then try to recall that. If such small events are happening, no need to panic every time कि अभी दिल्ली में आ गया, अभी नेपाल में आ गया, ये हो गया करके. No need to worry about that. They will not going to ask you question over that. If it is happening like frequently, let's say in the region of Central Asia, they will ask question over the basic understanding fair plate tectonic. Then observe कि in this region is there any geographical phenomena is happening frequently, or in the basic my books is there any like such phenomena are there or not. So try to cover current affair like this. Is that clear? So volcano and earthquake, especially I wanted to give you message that no need to do 75 kind का PhD, small events you cannot click. Don't focus on such questions कि इस बार इसने 1997 वाला पूछा था तो मैं सारे का years याद कर लेता हूँ. Don't do this mistake because such questions are avoidable in the exam hall in the prelims. Is that clear or not? So in the next lecture we will discuss about next segments, continents वाला part. Is that clear? Good luck.